All right, let's talk a little Tesla now. Shares actually rising today. 2.3%, which is really a surprise. No one expected that. The company continued slashing prices on several vehicle models in China. Reuters calculations indicate Tesla cut prices by 13.5% on its China Model 3 and 10% on its Model Y. This comes just days after Tesla missed estimates on fourth quarter vehicle deliveries and produced 34,000 more cars than it delivered during the quarter. Shares are off more than 40% on the month. Shauna, it continues to be a demand issue. Everyone for quite some time was saying it was strictly an Elon Musk distraction Twitter issue. Clearly, that is not the case. There is at the heart of this a demand issue, in particular in China.
Yeah, in particular. And I mean, it's interesting to look at this because Tesla clearly needed to make a move. There was some reporting here from Josh Schaefer earlier today saying that Future Fund Managing Director Gary Black saying that these cuts were necessary in order to prevent further market share loss for Tesla in China. We know a lot of those Chinese EV makers certainly accounting for much of the market, massive competitors there for Tesla, something that could really stifle their growth in the region in the coming years. And we saw that reflected in some of those stocks today. You're talking about that demand issue with if Tesla and the fact that it is cutting its prices, what that means for some of these other Chinese EV makers that haven't made those adjustments yet. If in fact sales do continue to decline, we could really see extended losses not only in Tesla, but also for some of those U.S. listed Chinese stocks over there.
A couple of real surprises there when you talk about, so prices generally speaking, are 40% less in China on these Tesla models than they are here. That is a remarkable concession for Elon Musk. But the stock being up is a little strange twist that I don't think most investors expected. A lot over there that watch this space say Tesla has for months needed a lower price version, somewhere around the 25K mark, to really be competitive in China. And they just refuse to come out with that additional lower priced model. I guess this is how they get there.
Yeah, and even with this cut, though, still putting it above that level, which makes it hard to compete with some of those other players.